asama John Dramani Mahama former president eko kan wo US say okọ ye nkura kitinkiti o omumo brada wo US nkura kitinkiti and the bisa ni say omampanyin dada after the election 2020 according to resource it is the most credible election Ghana has ever had. Why then did you take or lead the NDC to court? We need evidence. Dia ko gu ye ni ma se ma ne ye ni MPP for kasa akwaya apakat o munya de share mfia na ya yemre ade na ko gu ye ni ma se sa and now former president ebie na no me say we rep this flag at the papa bia e be bo man Ghana bia de e be ka ho asem. Nobody is above criticism but criticize constructively. Ghana youth mama ye hunu se recently we dey me di twam MP bako edisika o UK ya che no one we say broni dia ba betena so we dag ye tutu amena na ye ko ya ko hu ye omo de ba na omo te so we are not saying say corruption cause wo ye mamu me enka na mom ye ka as ye say enya time obi nye say ye be ka abefoa no so sa na ye ka no enti okoye na omo bisa ne sa no me to ma asem so no nanka me ye John Dramani Mahama nyamie ni nka me kasanka I just laugh maka say and ye be kasa but he boldly stood before camera and o ka kire o say muti o kasa na o kan no me ka me nita the bebon voice na mu kasa na o kan no me ka na fe ya fa to pon so ababa mu baako and o ka kire o say enkodai de mu ka no ewom court de woni evidence a wontimi nko court evidence na kasa o court na mom NDC fo no na omagimia followers no some we dey manusu some omagimia to the extent say okura wo mankura opata wo mampata enti gisa me ye bibi na afi maka mo down no mo kọ akwakotene fi enti de na ekoso he ni say okay fine ya to ase na bibi na wo ye no wankasa na wo nyina so o say na me ka say I thought na me ka say tio asama wo ka no na me ka say wiamu because that means onu ankasa ni mu no watena se hu say election was free and fair. This is language. Na me ka say wafa, that means wamfa. Na me ka say edaha, that means enaho. Na me nim say mekwa kotono, that means me kwa man kotono. So for former president John Dramani Mahama to have said that when his speech, he said, "Na me can say kronubi koso no means kronubia ankoso." And we catch it one. And yes, now only evidence I also there some no. We see, the be catch it say being a lawyer, a good lawyer, being a good lawyer, also until say ye the assembly lawyers pano munim de no. Omutimi hwa assembly din hu se odi fontom se ye out of court settlement. As with me as a lawyer, my credibility is at stake. So me kwana me lose because me lose from day one. What I say, and I will not go to court. Name any other party in Kasane out of court settlement. Krachi good for yen person be This is a good lawyer because a good lawyer must also know a case or the court. Yes, yes, so your loyalty. Obia sorry, ya sebi di assembly brano sorry di. No, and at Tatuchi Katasoso Churo book about Ghana Constitution. Everyone who said it was an advantage to test all the laws or to test our constitution. And you know, a buy was a crime with them, but to know him say or break it down in credibility. Now, as something call 2020, even Akoda winning law, Hunyan Sakura could have gone there to win the case against Tatu Chikata. Because now a evidence based election petition, a evidence based. When we were talking about it, some of you moye damp were comparing it to 2012 election petition. But you forgot say Baumia Aircon now okita over 5,000 pink sheets, 50,000 pink sheets they kitano as evidence. So nobody forced Afarijan into the box, but Asana ye no, he saw it so credible that when you know Asembeba, so he willingly jumped into the witness box to defend himself and the electoral commission. And nobody could have forced Jim Mensah, and the Jim Mensah team myself now was to I will not be in the witness box. Some damp Ghanaians no so aba ka say hey I dem won ko witness boss do o the man court I say bra mimbisa was say no kra na enye no kre what be that in any case John Dramani Mahama asem no kan no person o kire say person white the obey evidence I see edun ketia was o mu nyina sabi me de nyam na make my mouth is too heavy to utter the words from me myself to them. I will never do that, and you know I don't do that. Nemo person white I say edun ketia ni rojo nunu Mahama asem o kan was mu mienu nyina sabi munim nyansa because o say court no ko en on kita hwe nemo no ko ama sabi ne mmoa no na jimifo no a o matu omu agukuro mu ni hwe no aka am down yeah obi a wo kwan ofa kum ne kra na mom wo so nim se hwe ni ho na wo kwatena witness box no sabi papa panyin wan use adwen and you could see Esi Edunketia disgrace totally say Mr. Man you keep on changing if the figures were right if the figures were correct one kasa according to my political party NDC mu figures somebody back out here then it surprises me that you keep on referring to me as the petitioner. I'm not the petitioner. Nonsense. No wonder in his thought he thought say every idiot could go to court. No Kasano said your one that he was referring to himself. If not, you wouldn't have mounted the witness box. And the former president Rollins, may his soul rest in peace. Former president Mahama Asama Okan say or court just because no per se NDC full soldiers no calm down just say Esi Edunketia ukoye witness kwatena box nso ukodia dance yes ampa wiemu akoso when wunnim nyansa Mahama na eka onyam na meka person white John Dramani Mahama former president say wunnim nyansa Rojo Nunu former president Mahama say wunnim nyansa because mo ko no munim samanwe and in this case there's some of sami demfimo mani mo gu asidada no kwatena ho na nke aka say enu anu na se papa panyimfo a ye fa mo say asem a ekoi ye ni hwe ka wo ho ye ni evidence bia nanso mo nko gina adaka nu na nka bi no na osimunim nyansa John Dramani Mahama na eka kire mo me de mintimi nka sa kire mo na mo mi kire mo I've already said say if you patiently dissect an ant you will see its intestine what the botayenen to was ye da aboantati a ne nso brebo me bia abonyuma nyina wo be mu ene ye de to was ye dwa asem okoka ye nu now it is John Dramani Mahama to me be na no ka kire say Edunketia pese white ni Rojo Nunu say munim nyansa that is why he could manipulate you say go sit there wo de obeba timbiaka e na mo betena ho kasa ye say whole professor person white betena say nipa ya suma will say go guard against our enemy now corner enemy na suma say koko ka kire de osuma ho na nyansam bra na nka wo so asore na okọ no wonder John Dramani Mahama ka say munim nyansa no wonder because clear according na some say emuda ho clear say small amon sabi mudi nyansa to one come on mad that because now credibility was at stake. You never mind, you never care. You thought